Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. We're talking about taking care of bobbles and pills that appear on the fabric once you finish knitting. Hi, welcome to Knit with Hannah. I'm Hannah. I'm here for another Knit and Natter Vlogmas today, and we're talking about taking care of bobbles and pills on your finished knits. And remember, if you want to see all of these Vlogmas videos all the way up to December 24th, then hit the subscribe button and click on the notifications bell, because then you'll be notified whenever a new video appears. And the best bit about this is that you'll also be notified of every Tuesday video that I give you before Christmas and all the way through 2019 as well. Those are still going up, so you don't want to miss those either. Now then, we have two things here that will really help you get rid of bobbles and pills. First of all, there's this. This is a blade with a guard over it. There's a little rotary, 3 blades in a circle, and they go round and round and round. If I just switch it on, you can hear it. Now, one issue with this is, firstly, you have to keep replacing the batteries. Secondly, the blades actually wear down in the end, and I've not been able to find a way to replace just the blade without buying a whole new piece of kit. So it works really well. You switch it on and you run it over the fabric. If there are bobbles and pills, it picks them up, puts them in this little thing like it's a vacuum cleaner. But yeah, that works, and if that's what you want to use, then great. Just be prepared to keep replacing the batteries and probably keep replacing this whole thing eventually too. The other option, if it's a flat fabric, if there's not much texture on it, is to use a blade like a razor, and this will give you a really clean shave, and it won't tear the fibres, it will cut the fibres. That's what we're trying to do. Replace tearing, like I talked about yesterday, with cutting. So this will cut the fibres at source so that they're not pulled out of the fabric ready to make more bobbles and pills. It will take much longer to create that effect again. So you can use disposable razors, or you can use razors with disposable blades. The best option, especially for larger items and for items which have a lot of texture on them, such as a cabled jumper, is to use a pair of scissors. And a pair of scissors is going to have a really sharp blade. You can continue to sharpen them. If you've seen some of my other videos, that I show you that you can sharpen scissors with aluminium foil out of the kitchen, and just fold a bit of foil up into a square and chop through it. That will sharpen your blades over and over and over again. So use a pair of scissors to just chop off the blades individually. You may think this is going to take me an absolute age, but if you're sitting there, you've got an audiobook in the background, just do that instead of knitting one evening, and you'll come a long way. You'll realise that you've actually given this whole new jumper another year or two of real good wear, and it's a really big help. So the main thing is to find a blade rather than something that's going to tear the fabrics, and you'll win. There you go. Thank you for joining me today. I'll be back again tomorrow. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the little bell for notifications so you know when the videos appear, all the way up to December 24th. Bye for now. Happy knitting.